Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing the joint between the gas cylinder and the base. Remove the seat and any plastic covers. Once done, spray penetrating oil at the seam and let it sit 5 to 10 minutes so it seeps into threads and corrosion. Make sure to protect the floor with cardboard. You'll now position the chair upside down so you can see the hub clearly. This access matters because leverage and a clear view let you avoid bending parts. You'll work the bond by alternating tapping and pulling. First, tap the base hub around its circumference with a rubber mallet and wood block to avoid damage. Then, while holding the cylinder, pull straight up using both hands, twist slightly back and forth to wedge loosened corrosion. Once the hub moves a little, repeat oiling and tapping. If movement stalls, apply heat with a hair dryer to expand metal. This helps because metals expand differently, breaking the rust seal. When the cylinder finally slides free, pull it straight up and set it on cardboard. Inspect the hub, seals, and bearings for wear or damage. Replace the gas cylinder or base if you find cracks or deformed parts, because a compromised base is unsafe. If the joint refuses after all steps, use a pipe wrench on the cylinder shaft or carefully cut the retaining ring with a reciprocating saw. Make sure to protect surrounding plastic and wear goggles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.